Look at this image. To you, it's a car. To me, it's a smuggling container. Everyone knows about encryption. That is like locking your data in a giant steel safe. The problem is, if I see a safe, I know you have money. Steganography is different. It's like hiding your money in your dirty socks. No one wants to look there. Today we are hiding secrets in plain sight. We need a tool called Steghide. Open your terminal. Time to activate hacker mode. Type sudo apt install Steghide. I already have it installed, so it finishes instantly. For you, it might take a few seconds. Once it's done, you are officially dangerous. Here are our files, the car and the secret code. We use the command Steghide embed. CF stands for cover file, the car. EF stands for embed file, the secret. It asks for a password. Please, for the love of code, do not use 1234. This locks the data inside the pixels. Now I delete the original file. It is gone. If I send this to you, it just looks like a car. But if you have the password, you can extract it. Enter the key, and boom. The file is back. We just teleported data inside a JPG. Subscribe to NullSyntax.